content. Looks bad, man. What's up, Shay?
What's up?
How you doing, brother?
Doing good.
You in here filming today?
Yeah.
Cool. Let me tell you what we got going on there. We got Johnny Boy over here knocking out this wrap removal on this Audi here. Yeah, it came in. I don't know where they exactly got the wrap done. I think somewhere in like Georgia. You got the wrap done over there. We're removing it now. I don't know what they did, but there's quite a bit of adhesive being left on the car. So not to worry. This stuff does just rub off like that, as you see. We'll use some special stuff and make sure that we get rid of that. But Johnny's going ham on it. He's probably hating life right now. Finger's probably a little bit tired.
My fingers are sore.
But we only have a little bit more to go, so we don't have too much more. Happy about that. Joe is over there being distracted by Carlos right now. We will show you some video of that content now.
Look at that windshield. Damn, fool.
But no, Joe's doing the chrome delete on this car right now. Carlos isn't even supposed to be here right now. You know what I'm saying? He's his day off. He can't.
No, I just did a favor for you. That's all.
He can't. Oh, is that the excuse? I love you too.
Hey, there's a curfew.
Oh, jeez. Yeah. No crying to mom about a curfew, okay? We got Joe knocking out this chrome delete on this this Passat here. So all this trim right here on the windows was chrome. If you come over here, Shane, you'll be able to see what is existing or what's left on this. As you guys might have seen the other day, we did the 2 Tesla Model 3s. Unfortunately, we didn't get a chance to show the final results on that, but we have this one here. So this one's getting chrome delete on everything. There's still some chrome delete down here on the bottom that needs to be done, and as well as some of the stuff on the back right here. So we've got this piece and this piece here to still do. We already did the windshield window tint on this. The other tint on this vehicle was already existing, so we're pretty much leaving it alone. That's what the customer wanted. And before the end of the day, we're gonna jack this up on jack stands, get the calipers painted red for the customer. That's what we've got going on this. So we should deliver this back to them tomorrow. This one is gonna be a week-long project. It's gonna be a pretty crazy color. We'll show you guys the process on that. And you guys will see the final product on that come the end of the week. So for you guys, just a couple more minutes and you'll be able to see what we're doing on that. Don't worry. But as for me, I gotta get back up front. Follow along if you guys want. I'll catch you in a minute. Oh, you already flipped it around.
Huh?
You already flipped it around.
Yeah, I'm working on the other side.
So basically what we got going on here, guys, is we got these brake calipers. Customer wanted to make them red. So we are currently masking everything off. And in this case, we're gonna go ahead and paint them. We do use a special ceramic paint that is specifically for this. It's a 3-stage process. So there's a primer, the color coat, and then you have a ceramic clear coat that goes on over that. Carlos is going through. As you guys see, we have our little methods with trash bags and stuff. It kind of makes our time a little bit faster. We can go on to the other side right now and kind of show you what it all looks like when it's pretty much done. I don't think there's anything else he has to do, but they're red now on the back. The front one looks a little bit cleaner because it's more of a full caliper. The back one's a half caliper. Nice and clean. The only thing we gotta do is clean up a little bit of stuff that got on the rotor here and on the inside right there, but it's fairly easy to get that stuff out. We're limited with time and resources today, so we need some of the jack stands for this vehicle over here. The guys haven't come pick up the wheels for that yet for powder coat, so it's still down, but we only had 2, so we're working with what we got in the time frame that we got. So we'll be touching some of this stuff up in a little bit. Chrome delete's all done on that, if you guys can tell. Joe was working on this the other day. For you guys, it's the same video. All the window trim is all blacked out here. At the sides on the bottom, you can't even tell, but right here, it's all black. We went ahead and smoked the tail lights as well on the back side here. As you can tell, tail lights are smoked, and then the third brake lights right here, or reflectors I should say. Headlights also got done, as well as the front, the full front. The only thing the customer really didn't want was this piece here. Everything on the front, this used to all be chrome, and the headlights are smoked out as well. So this is pretty much a full job. Came out fairly good. Kind of happy with it. Get the brake calipers finished up today, and customer will be picking this up tomorrow, hopefully sometime around noon. Excited to give him his car back. He drove all the way from Orange County. For those of you guys that don't know where Orange County is in comparison to us, it's about 45 minutes to an hour away. Drove it, dropped it off on Saturday. We've had it since Saturday. We've worked on it Monday. What's today? Tuesday?
Yeah.
Tuesday. So we've had this 2.5 days about.
Day 3.
There are your keys, brother.
Appreciate it, man.
You've officially been pimped.
What's up? Yes, sir.
There she is.
Looks bad, man.
So you guys have all seen this already before on camera, but this is his first time seeing it. He just came from work. You know, working long hours, as you can tell. He's in his PJs compared to what he works.
Flip flops on it, man.
That's how we do it. It's Cali.
That's how we do it.
So smoked out tail lights, smoked out reflectors right there. We got all the black trim all blacked out there. Headlights are done. Calipers are all done and knocked out. Looks really aggressive. The whole front end is, I mean, completely different look compared to what it was before with all the chrome that was there. So it's a nice little sinister look going on for this Volkswagen. I think it's time for you to just get home and relax.
I know, man.
Don't think about work.
Gonna have to call it a dark night now. It's all black.
You better get home before it is a dark
All right,
night.
man. Yeah, I appreciate it, man.
Likewise, brother.
A few moments later.
Got the guys over here doing this. They're setting up this color right now, actually, for this Audi. So what Joe's doing right now, he's marking with his dry erase marker the areas that we need to cut out and what areas we're going to save for what panels. This color is going to be super sick. I can't wait till you guys see at the end of the video what color it actually is. It's that color. Oh yeah, they're sick.
They were quoting me more money for the old tires that I had, the hand cooks. I was like, these things look like dog anyway. And
Really?
These are like 150 a tire cheaper.
Oh yeah, no, they're sick. These Toyos are dope, man. My buddy has them on his Hellcat. Not this specific one, but
I was like, man, Toyos I know are a better tire. Why are they cheaper? He said, well, it's actually we just buy them and get a better price on them.
Yeah.
Like, well, geez, thanks for pushing me.
dude, yesterday you should have seen how many people were stopping by and like just
Oh, dude, I'm
recording it.
I'm about to get broke neck syndrome on this.
How do you like it though, brother?
Fucking sick, dude.
That's it.
Awesome.
Enjoy. Go get yourself something to eat, brother.
I know.
That emblem I just got the base coat on it, so I have to hit it with like one more clear.
Okay.
Probably gonna take the remainder of the day to do it.
That's fine. I'll
But
swing on by.
yeah, it just pops on.
Okay.
Cool. Thank you, brother.
Hey, man, appreciate it.
No, thank you.
All right, man.
Camera rolling? Camera's rolling.
Rolling.
We're good. He's rolling. No rolling. No drugs on the job,
Okay,
please.
okay,
no,
okay.
no
Hold
rolling.
on, not like
please.
that. All right.
No. Shane. All right, cool. Let me get in the mood, guys. Thanks for watching.